We are producing on 100% horse manure. The reason why we don't use straw is actually horse manure is easy available here in Holland. The straw, what is inside of the horse manure. We can make the same quality of compost with straw, but it takes longer and it's more expensive than the horse manure. We have the chicken manure, a liquid chicken manure. We use liquid because we have only one time the opportunity to bring the chicken manure on the horse manure. Then this is liquid. Immediately all pieces of straw in the horse manure are covered by the chicken manure. Because we mix it one time, it goes in our mixing line and it goes into the bunker. So the mix has to be from the first time perfect. That's why we make a liquid chicken manure and we don't have clumps, because with these clumps we should turn the compost more often. This take time and longer process, and we don't produce it 52 weeks in a year. Our liquid chicken manure is every week the same because they produce it for us. We have the indoor process. That's how we can do 52 weeks in a year exactly the same. So our phase one is always exactly the same. The horse manure, what we just saw, with the water, we leave it for 4-5 hours on this place to rest, to get the water in the straw. Then we bring it again in another conveyor with a mixing drum to mix it again. Manure is coming on this conveyor, and here we add the gypsum. The gypsum, what you saw on the other side, is coming via this conveyor on the horse manure. The horse manure go in our mixing line. The mixing line had 3 big mixing rolls, and the liquid chicken manure will be added also on this mixing line. Because all the 3 ingredients are coming here and get it 3 times mixed. You see that all the conveyors are covered, and all the covering have a pipe, so all the air is sucked, go to ammoniac wasser, go to a biobed, and then go to the air. So we don't smell here the phase one. 3 or 4 people. Whole phase one, and they produce here roughly 9,000 ton phase one tunnels. The mix, what we just saw, we bring it with the automatical filling cassette into the tunnel. We close the door, the temperature goes to 80 degrees. We leave it for 4 days and we take it out. We don't turn it, we don't mix it, we do nothing with it.